Hello everyone and welcome to my update for Child of the 80s. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab group project. It was created by Jalon, and I will have a link to Jalon's channel as well as the Fantastic Ladies collab group Facebook page in the description box below. This is a year-long project. It runs from January 1st until December 31st with monthly updates. It is a roulette style project where you have 8 prompts going that you select out of 80 prompts. Jalon went to work and got a lot of prompts because 80 for the 80s. So let's go ahead and get into this month's update and see what I was working on currently and what I can roll in. I will let you know I did already record this once, so you won't see me picking the numbers. Unfortunately, the footage got corrupted, and so I'm having to re-record this. I had a hair attacking me. Okay, so the first product I brought into the project was for Milli Vanilli, a product that isn't what you thought it was, and that is my Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. This is very mentholy. I apply it, wash my hands, my eyes sting. It's like applying Vicks Vapor Rub all over your body or anywhere that you want toned. So arms, legs, stomach, butt, whatever. Yeah, I've used it once. In the last month, my goal is to use it 20 times. So far, I have used it twice. It's going to be here for a while unless I really hunker down and use this every day or every other day. More frequently than I am now. Once a month is not going to cut it. That is the mark where we brought it in. That is still where we are. There hasn't been enough change. So yeah, wish me luck, and hopefully I'll get some more use out of this. Next was for Betamax, something that is small but mighty. And for that, I brought in my deluxe sample size of the Glam Glow Bright Eyes Eye Cream. And my goal was to hit pan or to empty it. And I went ahead and emptied it. It is all gone. So that goal is hit. Yay. We will be rolling something in to take its place. I'm so excited. One roll out. All right. Next up is for Back to the Future, an old favorite. And my old favorite is Avon Moisture Therapy Intensive Hand Cream for extremely dry skin. This is a sort of silicone, petroleum kind of feeling hand cream. It is very heavy. It is hard to tell the exact location because it is kind of semi-translucent, but my best guess is we're right there, so it should be rolling out in the next update, but not quite yet. Not this update, but hopefully next month this will be all gone and we will be able to move something in its place. Next up is for Weird Science. Weird Science. Something that has an unusual or interesting formula. And for me, that is my LA Girl Pro Primer Eye Primer Stick. Eyeshadow primer stick in nude, and when I brought it in, it was above the packaging, so as you can see now, it is no longer there. My goal is to use it 20 times. This update, I have used it 13, and last month I used it 6, so that brings me to a total of 19 uses. So one more use and this is done. I am going to go ahead and preemptively roll something in for this, but one more use will be the next time I do my makeup, and it's done. Done-a-roo! So yay, another product going out and something to roll in its place. Next is for Totally Tubular, a product in a tube. And for that I have my Burt's Bees Hydrating Lip Oil with almond oil, and this little guy right here. It's another thing that is translucent and it's hard to see, but I'm gonna set it in a cup or something, see if I can get gravity to bring it all down, because there is a great big air bubble in there, but there's also some sticking to the sides. So my best guess is where we are is right there at that little mark. That's my best guess where we are, but this is pretty close to being done. Hopefully in the next update this will be done, but we are still working on this, so this is going to stay in the project. I apply this every night when I, go to bed, and that is my overnight lip mask, lip oil. I love it. It works. Yeah. All right, next for Just Say No. Something you don't like. That comes from my Marvy Corn palette. And it is the shade 8000, which is a dark highlighter. It is this guy right here, this big brown heart. It's too dark as a highlighter for me. I'll give you a swatch. There it is. But I did use it as a bronzer today, and I think, I did use it as a bronzer today, and with a light hand, I think it looks pretty good. I am a little glowy, but yeah, for a shimmery bronzer, I think that worked pretty good. I used it 3 times this month and 2 times last month, bringing me to a total of 5 uses. My goal is to use it 20 times, so I have 15 more uses, so this is staying in. All right, last month, sorry, not next, I'm going future. I'm going back to the future. No. Last month, we rolled in 2 new products, and the first one was New Kids on the Block, a product with the right stuff, and I brought in my deluxe sample size of the Benefit Gimme Brow, because it has the right stuff for me to do my brows. This I have in for 20 uses, and I've used it 11 times already. I use it almost every time I do my makeup, unless I'm feeling really lazy and don't do my brows for streaming, but generally every time I do my makeup, that's getting used. And so that is staying in. And then last month we also brought in for Ferris Bueller something that is wild or out of your comfort zone. And I brought in my Kat Von D liquid liner in Trooper Black. And I'm not comfortable with liquid liner. It's very bold in my opinion. I am wearing it today on my upper lid. I'm getting used to it. It's not as bad as I thought. I suck at doing wings, so I don't do a wing. I didn't do one today. I'm going to practice learning how to do a wing though. So hopefully maybe we can do that in the future. But I have used it so far 3 times in the last month, and I have a goal of using it 10 times. So I have 7 more times to use it. I don't think I'm going to get it done in the next month, but I'm going to try and give it a concerted effort to get some use out of this, because it is older, and I do want to be able to say, hey, I can use a liquid liner. It's not my preference, but I will get more practice doing it. So this is staying into the project. So that's everything that was currently into the project this month. Now for the 2 products that I rolled in. Like I said, the footage of that has been corrupted, but I did use my Pretty Random app. I always want to say it wrong. And the first one I got was for number 41, the Moonwalk, something that is black or white. And I went with this, that it has black and white packaging, and this is Salon Hair Simplified Use Me Hair for Wave and Curl Defining Cream. I got this from some subscription box most likely. And yeah, we're bringing in right here, so it's about halfway. And my goal is to use this up. I use this to help define my curls that, sometimes have more definition than others. So, yep, bringing that in to use up. And then the last item I rolled was number 60, Wax On, Wax Off. And that is from the Karate Kid, and that is a product that has wax in it. And it took me a while to find something, but I decided to go with kind of a gimme product. This is the Rage Against the Bean Lip Balm from Medusa's Makeup. And it is current lip balm I'm currently working on. I will roll it up to show you that's how much product I have left. I have to help it go back down. And I am bringing this in to use up. So that is that. That is my last product. So we rolled out 2 and rolled in 2. And I think we're doing pretty good progress. If we can keep rolling 2 at a time, we will not reach all 80 prompts, but we'll be giving it a good shot. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed my content and want to see more painting content from me, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I do appreciate it very much. And until I see you in my next video, take care. Bye.